Hey traders, it's Steve from the Stock Index Trading Room. And in this midweek, not really a recap today. I'm gonna show you a new, not a new tool, something we've been using for 5 or 6 years, but we don't talk about it a lot. And I just wanted to highlight it today. Again, I'm going to go fast with these. But what we're going to show you how in our room, some of our master traders confirm their entries with what we call needle bar confirmation, or NBC. I'm going to go ahead and make this legal. Please read this if you haven't. If you're not familiar with that, please read that. And then come pause this and then come join us. Needle bar confirmation, or NBC. This is Wednesday, March the 13th. This chart. More information, StockIndexTradingRoom.com, emails to StockIndexTradingRoom@gmail.com. And we're going to focus on this brilliant piece of work that Rob Mitchell has created. Rob's World Cup trading champion and master trader, indicator system strategy developer. And we just piggyback on the work that made him the World Cup trading champion. Let's see, let's go. What we're going to do, we're going to focus on this. And now we're not going to trade this, okay? We're going to use this to confirm entries. So we can go from 70% to 80% or 80% to 90%, depending on the level of, depending on the results that you want in your trading. So what we're looking for basically is this. We're looking for an entry that has a needle bar that finishes for a sale on the south of our magenta line. For a buy, we're looking for a needle bar that finishes on the north side of our green line. So you can say, okay, this is price action support and resistance. And it actually is more than that. It's order flow balance and price action support and resistance. A very, very complex indicator. And we make it real simple though, right? We've used our structure reference to say, hey, when we're green, we tend to go up. When we're red, we tend to go down. Now, Wednesday was not an easy day to trade. In our opinion, was pretty choppy and random. But I'm going to show you what this generated on Wednesday. And, right off 10 minutes or so off the open, we get an entry here that we would, there's several things involved in here that would get us interested in this. But we look down here and we have our needle bar that confirms going all the way through. So that makes that an outstanding entry. Okay. You can use it with type 2s. That's the way we first discovered it. And we'll teach you what that is. If you come to the room, you'll know what that is in 30 minutes. And if you don't, it won't matter, right? It just doesn't matter. You can use it for other entries. We have members that love to trade off of support and resistance, love to sell that, love to buy that. And it's a very powerful way to trade. Here we have a type 2, but our needle bar does not confirm that. And you can see that's just in the middle of this mess. And to be honest, really, that's 7 ticks against before it went up a couple of points. We don't even like to trade in this mess, but if we trade signals, we get it. So anyway, there's a potential entry that wasn't confirmed. Here's a potential entry that isn't confirmed. You can see how the needle bar didn't even go into the zone, smart dynamic zone. So this is we don't have anything confirming these choppy moves, little small choppy moves. Now here, unfortunately, we get a type 2 that has needle bar confirmation. Goes down almost 4 points before it goes the other way. So the worst thing we would be doing would be managing a trade that's working in our favor. Okay, so here we have some stuff, and again, you can see we're stuck in this. Now you can advanced trade this if you would like. You can look, we'll teach you a lot of tricks about this when we come in and come back out of the zone, and all of those little nuances. But using structure, support, and resistance as our guide, green we're going to buy. Here we have a nice entry that we get in there. Here, okay, we don't get through, thank goodness. We would hate to be looking on the long side. In fact, we teach our encompass pattern. We have a definite scientific method for trading that would have us very interested in the short side over here. And here you can see a brilliant needle bar confirmation. This turned out to be the trade of the day, happened later on in the afternoon. But you can sort of look and see, okay, we get red background. We like that for down. TTO's overvalued, smart momentum's overvalued, needle bars confirming everything. This is a 5-star, dead red cell, and of course it fell apart for us. And that's just that's how we use, one of the ways that we use these brilliant needle bars. Again, trading only if the market is in a position to be accumulated. We would only look for buy signals. If it's in an area to be sold or distributed, only sell signals. So we've got a filter that gives us a high probability of directional bias or advantage. And then, you can use just your favorite entry techniques to take advantage of, go there and go there. Even in chop, we almost never get on the wrong side of the market. And you can see, even on a choppy day, we're biding our time, doing our best, and, 1 or 2 good trades, and away we go. So that was from Wednesday, March 13th. Needle bar confirmation, NBC, and just another tool that if you want to learn and add and increase your win percentage, that's what we do. Historic track record, our signals that we show here that have been winning for 9 years could stop today. They could win forever. We don't know, but we feel like the future is going to be more like the past, and so we trade that with confidence. We are not saying that we know the future, that we know where the market's going. No one does that, and compliance asking me to share that with you. We just have signals that we've been studying, and they repeat, and we trade these repeating signals for the members' benefit. So Rob Mitchell designed all of this stuff, and then we've worked years and years and years on refining and using it and honing it for the ES and for our members' benefit. So this was from Wednesday, March the 13th, on behalf of World Cup trading champion Rob Mitchell, all of the master traders and successful traders in the Stock Index Trading Room. This is Steve, wishing you happy trading.